Fundamental rights are very important. These are those basic rights which are considered essential for the all-round development of a citizen. There are total 6 fundamental rights. Number 1, right to equality, which is mentioned in Article 14 to Article 18. And this right, you will be aware about freedom, that we all are equal, and the second is freedom, right of freedom. And this, we are free to speak and to express ourselves, freedom to assemble anywhere without arms, freedom to form associations or unions, and third is right against exploitation. Nobody can exploit us, and nobody can force us to do anything without our wish. And this right, the Constitution explains that we are not bound to work without wages, and the law protects the children below 14 years of age from being employed in the difficult jobs that might have a bad effect on them. And the next is right to freedom of religion. We all are free to choose our religion, whichever we want to adopt. Nobody can stop us from worshipping our own God. The Constitution guarantees the people of India to profess, propagate and practice a religion of their own choice. They have the freedom to manage religious institutions of their own. And the next is cultural and educational right. This is right number 5. In this, we are free to protect our cultural heritage and to get education without any partiality in any institution. The Constitution allows every community to preserve their language as well as their culture. Religious minorities has the right to establish their own educational institutions to preserve and develop their own culture. And the last, number 6, is constitutional remedies, which is given in article number 32. This article or this right implies that the citizens are entitled to move law courts to safeguard their fundamental rights. If anybody hurt their fundamental rights, we all can move to the Supreme Court as well as to the High Courts, and this right is also called the heart and soul of the Constitution.